Hello everyone, today I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can fix your Instagram login error on your mobile device. It is going to be a very simple and easy tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end, and with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, let me tell you why this problem could occur. It could be either because of your internet, so go ahead and check your router if it is fine, and check by calling your ISP if your internet is fine and tell them to troubleshoot your internet. But if it is not your internet, then it's probably going to be your application on your mobile device. So first of all, try uninstalling and reinstalling it and restarting your phone, and if those doesn't work, then I'm about to show you exactly what to do. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Go ahead and open your settings on your mobile device. Once you have done that, scroll down to apps and notification setting. Once you have done that, it is going to show you all the apps that you have. Go ahead and tap on see all apps. And finally, on this page, go ahead and until you find your Instagram. Once you have done that, go ahead and tap on it. And now over here, you can first of all just force stop Instagram, and then once you have done that, restart your mobile device and check it. And if that still doesn't work, then go ahead and tap on storage and cache. And finally, clear cache. What clearing cache does is basically it deletes the temporary files that Instagram doesn't really need to start or to restart. And the second thing you want to do is tap on clear storage, which is going to basically delete your settings and your accounts and other stuff so you can log in back. So once you have done all of that, feel free to try it, and I hope it will be working for you. So if it worked for you, thank you so much for watching. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and bye bye.